Hey guys, Zach at Quaid Harley-Davidson, Loma Linda, California, right off the 10 freeway. We wanted to talk to you today, chaps or no chaps, or what they're formerly known as chaps. Contrary to popular belief, none of them have a rear end in them. They are all without rear end. That being said, a lot of people don't understand the idea of chaps and what they're good for and what they're used for. The leather protection by itself, in and of itself, is great protection from you in the event of debris or the fall or the slide, as they call it. Hopefully that never happens to any of you. However, it is great protection. In addition to that, it's great wind protection, and obviously you need that in most of the country, to include Southern California. It does get cold, it does get chilly, and to extend your riding season, chaps are a really good idea. Chaps are something you can roll up and put in your saddlebag or zip tie or bungee cord to your motorcycle, in any facet for that matter, and they buckle on and off. Getting a pair, going down to your local dealership, your local place that would sell them, whatever that might be. It's an old Western kind of tradition, chaps are, but they are very good for cold weather, inclement weather, and it does set you up for the longevity of the ride and, unfortunately, the possibility of the slide. It's going to extend your riding season, and it's going to make you a lot more comfortable on the road, and they are pretty quick to remove. I would always recommend getting a pair of chaps if you don't already have them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Zach at Quaid Harley-Davidson. Thanks.